Welcome to Realm University. My name is Michael Baldwin, and this video is to take you through the settings to activate the integration between Claire and the Connect Now service. As you can see, we're on the settings portal. We're in section 5 called Connect Now. And before you start, you would need to be a signed up partner with Connect Now. And to do that, it's basically going to their website, connectnow.com.au, clicking on the partners section and following the instructions there, where you'll also learn about all the benefits for yourself with being a partner with Connect Now. But in relation to your tenant, when they select to move out and a move out date is added in your property management software, Claire will automate the communication with the tenant to offer them the Connect Now service, which is basically redirecting or reconnecting any of the utilities like gas, water, electric, internet, NBN, you name it, they will reconnect it for you. But you do need to be that signed up partner, as I mentioned. To activate the service, fairly simple, just tick the box for subscribe Connect Now. We then have the usual scheduling options, depending on what time you want to Claire to run to pick up any move out dates that have been entered into your property management software. This box here, who needs another email in your inbox? But if you're happy to receive one, we can send you an email containing all the referral details when the tenant has actually replied to the SMS in the affirmative and saying that they would like to take advantage of the service. On the right here, we have the agency reference number, and this is the number that will be provided to you when you become a partner with Connect Now. And we use that to submit the leads through to Connect Now. So obviously any benefits from that partnership you have with Connect Now are redirected to your agency. This last section is really if you want to rebrand the service and not mention Connect Now, but have it in the name of your agency so that it all becomes part of a service that you're offering for your tenants as a market differentiator. So you can simply place the name that you would prefer to use in here. For us, we just call it S&J for Smith & Jackson, which is our test account, but you could call it whatever you wish here, and that will be used in any of the communications that are sent out to your tenant. That's all it is to get this service up and going. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye now.